My name is Ishtvan. I do sales for PlanStream. We are a software company from Japan, and we are specializing in concept phase of plan design. And we have a very powerful algorithm which enables customers to do a model of 1,000 pipes in a minute, which is a lot of time you can save in any project. And with the time, you can do different types of concepts. And owners use our software, EPC contractors use our software, and we have a few logos like Technip Energy already, and please come and talk to us if you're interested.
That's really interesting. And did you already met some interesting people today also? I mean,
yeah,
it's still early, but...
Yes, it's early in the morning, but nevertheless, we already have a Malaysian contact, so we are very happy about continuing our discussion with Petronas, and we'll have to see. It's a tool also for brownfield projects, so any kind of modeling, customers will benefit, and this is what we will hopefully explore with Petronas in Malaysia.
Of course. And what do you think about the venue?
The venue is beautiful. I appreciate the easy access of Amsterdam, of course, and the space what you prepared is really excellent for the purpose. And I think also the number of visitors you managed to reach out to is really impressive.
Okay, well that sounds cool. Well, I hope you have a really good day and meet a lot of interesting people. Thank you so much.
Thank you.